Wowee. Made with unity, the symbol of perfection. Start. Oh, wow. There I go on my adventure. Got my radio. Got my picture of my daughter, I guess. Me and my daughter. Going out onto the open sea. Open lake. I guess it's a lake, not a sea. Yep, there's my fishing hook.
Really? Let me try this again.
Mm-hmm. I gotta learn how to fish. Left click. Oh, wow. Good. Oh. Oh, okay. Yes. I got a fish.
My first fish of the day.
Mm-hmm.
My daughter would love this.
I hope so.
This bluegill looks right. Gotta take a picture to put it in the journal for Rue.
Mm-hmm.
Got it. I'll throw this guy back.
Oh, we're doing catch and
This
release.
photo in the journal.
Where's the journal? Oh, there we go. My fishing journal.
She would love it if I could catch all of these.
Oh my goodness. Rue's fish list. That's cute. Azure. There we go.
They're the perfect first catch for someone as small as her.
Mm-hmm.
Now what else? The yellow perch.
Mm-hmm.
I'll find them next to the island under those trees.
Okay. Long nose gar Billy. Long nose fish with dark spots and a long nose. Long brown fish with the dark spots and a long nose. Can grow up to almost 7 feet and 60 pounds. Largemouth bass. Dark medium-sized fish, normally green and gray in color. Can grow up to 30 inches and 25 pounds. Lake sturgeon. Large brown fish with small barbels and bumps on their body. Can grow up to 7 feet and 240 pounds.
Who really left this here? I should bring it back for her. Kids and their imaginary friends.
Crazy looking catfish thing. Her home. That's cute.
Oh, okay. Why is the damn radio bugging out?
Oh.
Dad?
What?
Dad?
Rue, baby, you shouldn't be calling in like this.
I just wish I could be there with you.
What?
Rue, you need to be
How are
resting
you
now.
talking through the radio?
Okay. Say hi to Azor for me.
Uh-huh.
How did she do that? I should probably keep fishing then.
What the fuck? You can't
I'll
talk.
make sure I make it out of here in time.
What? You can't talk to her through the radio.
Time to get the yellow perch.
Dangerous waters. The fuck? I am very confused right now. Oh, okay. Here we are. That's cute.
No one is out here. Well, Rue usually brings a crowd.
She's not here.
The yellow perch will be under those trees.
Oh my goodness. I had long cast. I really whip it out there. Huh. All right. Gotta wrestle it. Yeah, real. Oop. Wowee.
Got it.
Woohoo.
The first fish Rue tried to eat. She couldn't wait for us to get back home and put it on the grill.
Interesting. I mean, I've eaten caught fish before. They have a lot of bones. A lot of bones. There we go. Poof.
I'll never forget the day Rue learned firsthand why these fish are known for their taste out here. Next is a long-nosed gar. We've seen them by those rocks.
The rocks. Well,
Again?
what?
Dad? It's about to start. Where are you?
What are you talking about?
It's okay, Rue. Don't worry.
You're gonna be here, right?
I will. I'm working on your list.
Okay. Just make sure you're here.
I've got to make it. I can't let her down this time.
Why don't we just go back now? She doesn't seem to care about the list. Oh my god.
That's why I should catch the long-nosed gar.
Guy, I don't think you're firing on all cylinders here. You're not showing a lot of judgment. Ah.
The perfect spot to fish.
Oh my god. Those rocks are a long way out. I'll try there. See a lot of other types of fish. Gotta fight them. They're a fighter. Oh, I see. I gotta. Okay. Wow, there we go. Woohoo!
This Billy wasn't so tough. Have to remind her not to be scared of him. And that they're just silly Billies with big noses.
Yeah, they're just silly. Take a picture. I like how we have a flag that's also that. But of course, I'm getting the feeling, as it is with these games, that things are not as they seem. I first caught one. Rue ran to wait in the cabin. She thought I'd caught an
Didn't see it
alligator.
back then, but I guess these really do look like alligators from afar.
Perhaps.
Why is it making that sound?
We know why.
Not again. What the?
Oh no!
There's no way she actually exists.
Huh?
That was weird. I'm not getting enough sleep these days. Time for the largemouth bass.
So that time we just turned the radio off on
To
her,
the next area.
which is nice of us. Very nice of us. Just turn the radio off. Stop calling me. Click. Yeah, I love you. Oh, it's raining now.
Storm. That's not going to slow me down.
Oh, interesting. The calendar shows a picture of a storm too.
Should be near that island.
Ooh. There's some weird cloud effects. The lightning strikes her a little bit. Whoa. Reel them in. Oh. Oh. He's too crafty. Oh my goodness.
God, finally got that thing. She should have been the one to catch this. She would have been a great angler if it wasn't for me. Don't bring them home often. I have to jaw jack this thing left and right.
That's kind of a weird fish. That's definitely not what a bass looks like. That is not what a largemouth bass looks like.
Now, I don't get why Rue wants one of these guys so bad.
Rue thinks they're cool enough
They're
to
as
bring
common
back
as
home.
pig tracks. Such a pain to wrangle in.
Mm-hmm.
Gotta get a lake sturgeon next.
I don't think that's what a lake sturgeon looks like. I've seen a sturgeon before, and that's not what it looks like. What?
Dad, you're missing it.
Fuck.
I'm doing all of this for you.
Why aren't you here?
Hmm.
I'm finishing your list first.
I want you to be here.
Yeah.
I can't mess this up.
You didn't. She doesn't care about the list, dude.
I only have one option of where to go.
Home? Is it? No, it's not home, is it? No, it. Yeah, it's not home. I didn't think it would be. I didn't think it would be. Oh, there's the sturgeon. Still got a storm on our hands. As it is. Oh. Okay. Oh my god. I don't know, you're complaining about bass. These guys are something.
Got it. Almost done.
Mm-hmm.
The biggest we've ever seen together. Rue could hardly believe that a fish like this could be bigger than her.
Mm-hmm.
But she was okay with it after hearing how old and wise they could get.
Yeah. Unlike us, we're not getting any older or wiser. Boink.
These guys are the biggest kind of fish Rue and I have ever seen.
Mm-hmm.
Not that that's a good thing with them. Bigger size just means bigger hassle.
It's true.
God, that noise again.
Mm-hmm.
I'm only keeping this thing on for Rue.
What? Ugh.
Ugh.
Rawr. Oh no.
What the hell?
Considering that's as big as a person, I don't think we're catching it. Oh, I guess we'll go say hi. Hello.
You shouldn't exist.
Mm-hmm.
I have to do whatever it takes to protect Rue. My friend matters most in this world.
Yes, I love you. I love you. I just...
She's gone.
Oh.
She just wanted you to be there.
She loved Lake Minnewaska.
Yeah.
I just wanted to remember my time with her.
Mm-hmm.
But you've been wasting my time.
Mm. Okay, bye.
This is her fault.
Huh? I don't know how.
I need to get Azor.
What? We're just... Okay. What? I don't think we can actually get that fish. There's a lot here that I don't think you're putting together, guy. Okay.
I want her back.
This is, my god. What?
You're only hurting yourself.
I won't see. You made. I just wanted to do
What?
something for her. I wanted to do something to make her happy.
You need to let go.
I need to let her go.
Come on.
I'm
Huh?
sorry.
Yeah, me too. What?
Loss
Okay.
looks different for everyone. We expect to go through stages and to grieve is to love, and to love is to live.
Okay then. Producer keeping it real. So that was a short little game about fishing, and I guess his daughter's gone. What is this about? I'd rather be fishing. So sophisticated. This whole thing is fish funs. Any fin is possible. Make this perchance. Heart and soul. Oh, you almost had it. I'm hooked. All about that bass. Listen to the current. Thank you for playing. Well, that was something.